In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend text in Canva posters. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, Canva offers an intuitive interface that makes creative design accessible to everyone. Blending text can add a professional touch to your posters, and today I'm going to walk you through the steps to achieve this. First, you'll need to open Canva. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy and free to sign up. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, which is your starting point for all creative projects. Next, you'll want to create a new design. For the purpose of blending text in a poster, you might want to select a layout that's specifically for posters or choose a custom size that fits your needs. Once you've decided on your canvas size, you're ready to get to work. Now go ahead and insert a text box. This can be done by selecting the text option in the sidebar and then choosing Add a Heading. Type in your desired headline or message. This is the focal point of your poster, so make sure it's compelling and clear. When it comes to font choice, go with something bold or thick. This makes the blending process much easier, as thicker fonts inherently stand out and can add a striking effect once blended. Don't be afraid to play around with different fonts until you find one that matches the vibe of your poster. Once you're happy with your text, select it by clicking on it, then head over to the toolbar and click on Effects. This is where the magic happens, as it will let you modify your text in various creative ways. To achieve the blended text effect, you'll want to choose the hollow effect. This removes the fill of the text, giving it a spacious look that is primed for blending. After applying this effect, you'll notice options to adjust the thickness of your text outline. Take your time to adjust it until you reach the appearance you desire. The next step involves duplicating your text. Simply copy your text box and position the duplicate directly on top of the original. This layered approach is essential for achieving the perfect blend, as it allows you to introduce subtle differences in color or effects between the two layers. Now, it's time to experiment with adding color or additional effects, like a shadow. This is where you can let your creativity flow, making adjustments that enhance the depth and visual appeal of your text. A slight color variation or a shadow can add striking dimension. Finally, when you're pleased with the look of your poster, it's time to export your design. Canva offers options to export as PNG or JPG, both suitable for print or digital use, ensuring your poster looks professional and polished, ready for any medium. With these steps, you now have the skills to create beautifully blended text in Canva. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.